2, 3. Cut. 1, 2, 3. Go away. Oh my god, it's disgusting.
I think that's good enough. I think that's good.
Okay. That's disgusting. What if there's more than one in there? Oh my god. There's a cute Reba.
Oh
Okay, save it for him.
my god.
Oh, we need a jar.
No, like now it's disgusting. You just chase everyone around with that around the hospital real quick.
Oh, wow.
We need one to get I think we have one. We have a few in the jar. In our little.
Anything else in there? Okay. No.
If someone wants to take over this, I can.
Oh, yeah. I can flush it. Thank you for that, Dr. Sharp. That was
It's just crazy.
Dr. Sharp's like, that ain't my day.